Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I realized, while I mentioned in an earlier video I released today, I was talking about that Snowball game in the WindStorm DLC, but then I checked that video again about the WindStorm DLC and I realized, oh, it's not in that video, that Snowball Race. So that's why I wanted to make this little video about it, so that I can show it to you either way. So here it is. I will just only show one of the races. See you again in the outro. Now this is what I call a fun target practice, as I could take some inspiration from this and maybe then within the limits of their game incorporate something like this. But this kind of target practice, it is so much fun. I know it's not realistic, but yeah, that's about the balance of fun and realism in the game. Like, you couldn't hold a snowball in your hand for that long, or a few snowballs, and then throw it onto a target like that from a horse. That, no, it would melt too quickly, it would crumble too quickly. But like this in game, even though it's not really realistic, it is so much fun to do. So I really love that they added this, and yeah, I think it's so creative, so much fun. Great idea from that team. So that was it for this video. Have a good night, day, morning, evening, afternoon, whatever time it is for you. Bye.